Welcome back. 56 top performer students of Goa University were awarded with medals on Saturday. Governor of Goa Bharatveer Vanchu, who is Chancellor of Goa University, said that the state, having almost 100% literacy rate, should pay greater attention to the quality of education now.
On the occasion of Silver Jubilee Annual Convocation Program of Goa University, Governor of Goa and Chancellor of Goa University, Bharatveer Vanchu, on Saturday felicitated 56 top performer students with medals and special prizes. In his presidential address, Bharatveer Vanchu said that this is a matter of great satisfaction that every child born in Goa goes to school. But major challenges before the educational institutions are to maintain the quality of education with limited resources.
It is now necessary to pay greater attention to the quality of education. This, according to me, is indeed a matter of concern and a major challenge. The country as a whole is going through an acute shortage of trained manpower to cater to the needs of the higher education sector. Our resources are limited. How then do we achieve higher levels of quality? There are no simple answers, nor are the solutions easy. We need to create conditions that will attract the talent that we need.
Chief guest of the event, National Research Professor of Central University of Hyderabad, Professor Govardhan Mehta, said that many students pass out every year, but there are very less employment opportunities. So it is necessary to focus on practical and research-based educational system.
That education, particularly at university level, should facilitate a holistic understanding of the milieu in which one lives, grows, discovers purpose, and of course carve out a successful career in an increasingly seamless world. To help realize such an ambition, a paradigm shift in our offerings, particularly at undergraduate level, to harmonize hard learning with soft skills is fundamentally important.
There are over 50 affiliated colleges under Goa University in which more than 25,000 students study. A video journalist Devendra Gaonkar with Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Former PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has rubbished the allegations of appointing engineers with fake degrees. Alemao has challenged Parrikar to prove the allegations. He also said that there is no concrete assurance of Daboli Airport remaining functional once MOPA comes into existence. Churchill has alleged that police are protecting the culprit in Kolwa murder case.
PWD जेन्ना हांवें काम केल्लें आहा त्या लोकां मदीं आहा समज तरी कोणे इंजिनियरांनी काम केलां उडय मरे सेट कर म्हणजे काबार कर उडय म्हाका कित्याक प्रॉब्लेम आनी जरी तरी हांवें मॅस केला तूं पयशे खाली कोणाका बंद कर पयशे दिवपाचे हो कोस्टल बेल्टाचो लोक लाखांनी रडलो तो मॉबीन सांगता हो सांगता 2 एअरपोर्टले म्हणटी खबर सोडा तुमी डिसिजन चलतलें हाली आमच्या सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्रीन.
Churchill has demanded to investigate into Kolwa murder case and apprehend the culprit.
Now the bouncer was not easy to escape man from the with the police hand. Is that purposely done? And where is one? Not even a single press paper also not getting on this anything. If this is done by the Churchill family or Churchill anything is becoming headline every day.
Our reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
6th DD Kosumbi Festival of Ideas started on Saturday in Kala Academy at Panji. Inaugural discussion was held on the topic of depiction of women in Indian media. Film director Mahesh Bhatt, actress Kulpanag, ad filmmaker Piyush Pandey, journalist Rajdeep Sardesai and Sagarika Ghosh participated in this discussion.
Six-days-long DD Kosambi Festival of Ideas started on Saturday in Kala Academy with a panel discussion on depiction of women in Indian media. Center of the discussion was whether crime against women such as rape is happening due to representation of women in media and films in bad manner. Film director Mahesh Bhatt, actress Gulpanang, and filmmaker Piyush Pandey said that films and TV programs are mirror of the society.
I'm talking about the Hindi cinema industry in particular, cannot abdicate the responsibility and say we are not contributing to that regressive mindset of looking at women as objects. But we must be very cautious. I question people who put speed limits on women's desire.
In any situation where a woman has found herself at the receiving end of second-rate treatment, she has always been complicit either by virtue of not acting against it or by just perpetuating an age-old way of functioning. So I don't think it's just in cinema, in the stereotypical portrayals of society and what girls should do.
Citing the incident of Delhi rape case, senior journalist Rajdeep Sardesai said that news channels are becoming more sensitive about the content, and it was media pressure that government is tightening law related to crime against women.
More rapes take place in villages, often with the woman having very little protection. A lot of rape which takes place is also marital rape. Evidences of 70% of the cases often of rape are done by people that the girl knows, often within the family. Now, we haven't taken up these issues on a war footing until it took a rape a couple of kilometers away from Parliament or a few kilometers away from Parliament for us to wake up.
With video journalist Sushant Par, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.